In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to integrate Trello with GitLab step by step. This is perfect if you're managing development projects and want to connect your task management in Trello with your GitLab issues and merge requests. By the end of this tutorial, your Trello cards will automatically display GitLab status updates like open, closed, or merged, keeping your workflow organized and transparent. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software tutorials. Now, let's get started. Before we begin, there are a few prerequisites. First, make sure you're logged into your Trello account. Second, make sure you're logged into your GitLab account. And third, ensure you have access to the specific GitLab project you want to connect. Without project access, the integration won't be able to pull in issue or merge request data. Now, the first step is to enable the GitLab power-up inside Trello. Open the Trello board where you want the integration to work. Once you're inside the board, go to the top right corner and click on Power-ups. This opens the Power-ups marketplace where you can search for integrations. In the search bar, type GitLab. You'll see the official GitLab power-up appear in the results. Click on Add to enable it for your board. After it's successfully added, you can close the Power-ups panel. The integration is now installed, but we still need to authorize it. Next, we're going to authorize GitLab access. Open any Trello card on your board. You can use an existing card or create a new one for testing. Inside the card, click into the description field or the comment field. Now go to your GitLab project and copy the URL of an issue or merge request. Head back to Trello and paste that GitLab URL directly into the description or comment field, then press Enter. As soon as you press Enter, Trello will detect the GitLab link and trigger an authorization pop-up. In that pop-up, click Authorize. If you're prompted to sign in to GitLab, enter your credentials. After signing in, you'll be asked to authorize Trello to access your GitLab account. Click Authorize again to confirm. Once authorization is complete, Trello will automatically attach the GitLab link to the card in a clean, structured format. Now let's verify that everything is working correctly. Look at the Trello card and confirm that the GitLab link appears as an attachment. You should see more than just a plain URL. The integration will display additional information pulled directly from GitLab. This includes the title of the issue or merge request and its current status, such as open, closed, or merged. If you see the status information displayed clearly on the card, congratulations, your Trello and GitLab integration is working properly. From now on, when the issue status changes inside GitLab, Trello will reflect that status on the linked card. This makes it much easier for project managers, developers, and teams to stay aligned without constantly switching between platforms. This integration is especially useful for agile workflows, sprint planning, and tracking development progress visually, while still keeping GitLab as your source of truth for code and issue management. And that's it. You successfully integrated Trello with GitLab. As you can see, the setup only takes a few minutes, and once connected, it can significantly streamline your project workflow. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy-to-follow software guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.